Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sync your Outlook with the Salesforce Lightning. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need to enable our Einstein activity capture. To do so, we need to go to setup and after that, you need just to search for activity capture and from there we will find these Einstein email insights and Microsoft Exchange connection. So from here, you will need to start connecting your Microsoft account. So first, you will need to enable it. So just click on get started so you can enable the Einstein into your Salesforce. You will need to connect your Microsoft Office and click on next. And this is just the authentication level. So from here, I'm just going to click on user one and add a name. So for example, just QQ for now. And as you can see, now you can have your events that will be uh, related or that will be synchronized. You can add your emails and have your events, and either you have it only both direction, so also your Salesforce events will be added to your Microsoft Office, or the inverse, or you want only to have the Microsoft Office to Salesforce to have them to have your calendar synced with Microsoft and Salesforce. Then you can choose also the contacts if you want or you don't want to. So let's just do it like that. You click on next, you choose the filtering, the events, and all the other information or configurations, and you can also start searching to add users or profiles to this, and you click on next. You add some custom domains if you have next, and then you will need just to click next, and you will have everything uh, configured or set up, and you will need just to click on finish, and by that you will have your synchronizing that will be added. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.